This is an urgent message from the Fort Worth Police Department and being locally relayed by the Texas National Guard. If you are listening to this alert, your life is in imminent danger. Mass riots and civil unrest are being reported across the state of Texas.